If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, we talk about personal finances, whether that is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. This video is a cash envelope stuffing video. As you can see, I got my denominations from 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100. And I am ready to stuff. So, let's start off with pulling out my... What am I pulling out? My envelopes, yes. Ooh, that was a brain fart. We are stuffing approximately $500. I'm not entirely sure. But what's here is more because I did get my refund check. So that, well, I didn't get all of my refund checks. I got one refund check and that is in this money, but I'm not allocating that yet. That will be another video. So stay tuned for that video. All right. So let's start with household. Household is getting $86. Let me bend that. Household is getting $86. We are trying to furnish this house. If you're new and you didn't or you haven't watched the video in a while, I did recently get married and we are trying to furnish our apartment. Granted, all our previous money went to the wedding. Now I want to give some money towards the household. So household is more like furnishing my house, not as I'm out of breath. Household is more of furnishing my house, not household everyday things, because that comes from groceries in a sense, because we go to BJ's to shop and so that's where that's coming from. Household is getting $63. So we are going to take a 50, a 10, and $3. Ooh, it feels so good to have stacks of ones, because in the past few months, I've been only going to ATMs and not the teller. So I found a drive-through. Well, the reason being is because where I live now doesn't have a drive-through like teller situation. It's just like a brick and mortar storefront bank where you have to go into the bank, and I don't like going inside of the bank, especially since now I just drive everywhere. I'm not taking the public transportation where maybe I'll just take the bus closer to the bank and I'll just walk to the bank. But now I'm in my car. No. If I can't go through a drive-through in my car, I'm not gonna go. So the new location when I was living with my mom's house, a few blocks over, was the bank. So I'll just leave and walk to the bank, go inside the bank, or drive, because they had a drive-through teller. So I would drive to the bank before I go run my errands one day, and then I have my money. But there's no drive-through anywhere. So this run, I had to go travel to another side of the city. Other side of, I'm not gonna say New York, but the other side of the city to find a drive-through. So I guess that will be my daily run. It's close, but it's not that close. So yeah. 1, 2, 3 singles. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe on the weekends. I have this cut on my finger from work today, a paper cut, and oh my gosh, paper cuts are so annoying, super duper annoying. So 63. 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So now all together, I typically don't count it, but for the sake of this video, for the sake of me haven't done this in a while, we have a total of 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. 88 in households. Then, next is, couples goals. We're not funding couples goal because I just did something for his birthday, and that money I did budget for is used already. I used that already. Then it is, this is out of order. Next is, okay, so it's out of order. We're just gonna go with what order they have. What order I have on my spreadsheet on the side. So after household is car maintenance. So car remix, she's getting $25. So that is a 20 and a 5. My girl needs a lot of things done. So I'm debating on using my refund check, part of my refund check, to fix her up. She's not a beat down car. I beat her down and I want to restore her because it's not, Did I tell you the story how I ran into a pole in the morning? I was so sleepy. And my job, thank goodness, love the place. My job has free parking through a parking garage that is next door. It's in the same building as my job, but it's weird. It's like a building. The school is on one side, and then there's a garage. So we get free parking if you work at the school. So wonderful, because that saves my life, because I would be getting parking tickets out the ass if that wasn't the case, especially where my school is. It's hard to find parking. So one morning I was driving in, to the parking garage, and it's a valet parking. So there's like a strip that you can park your car, leave your car, go to work. That strip was packed. So I decided to go through the other. So there's two entrances. The valet parking is here. Let's get a diagram. The valet parking is here. You can park your car here, and this is the entrance. There's another exit, because if this garage, whatever, is packed, you can leave. They can take your car out through here. So I decided to go here, and then I had to bust a right, but there was a pole there, so I scraped the side of my car. There is white paint on the side of my car. It's been there for, I would say, a couple of months now. It happened before the wedding. So yeah, like a good 4 months that happened. I was so tired. Like in the morning, my spatial awareness is not there. It's not there. So I want to fix that. That is like one of the things I really, really, really want to fix, because I don't like the look of my car when I see it. And my car was so beautiful. Well, she's beautiful, but she was so beautiful before, and the outside is just like, but it's not. It's a priority in my mind because it's a want, but a need that my car has right now is, if you watched the last video, you know that my car had a flat and I need to replace all my tires. We patched up the flat, so it's good for now. But for peace of mind, I want to change all of my tires. That's a need. Then my windshield wiper container in the car, like, when you press that button, the fluids come out for the windshield, and you can wipe it with the windshield wipers. The container for the fluid it has a hole in it, because one time I filled it because I was like, okay, let me refill my windshield fluids. Filled it up. It was done in a day. It was leaking out my car. So that needs to be fixed. So I have a plethora of things to fix in my car. Love her to death, but she needs a tune-up. And I want to do that for myself. Like, I can't be driving in this car. The car is drivable. Like, it's not terrible, but these are the concerns that I'm like, if I fix those, I would feel proud to drive my car. I'm proud to drive her, but it would be like, ooh, black girl luxury type business. So part of me is debating, do I do mostly debt, or do I do some debt and some car? What do I do? So let's see how much I have in the savings right here, because obviously this would go towards anything I have to fix. So we have 2, 4, 45, 50. So we have $50 in car. Then next is doctors. I think we passed it. Doctors, we are putting $40, so that's 2 40s. Let's see how much we have in here together. 50, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 135. So that's great. We're looking great on the doctor front. And oh my gosh, medical bills out, it's not, okay, let me not say that. Not medical bills out the wang. So part of my insurance that I have now, if you go to the emergency care, you have to pay a certain amount of money to go to the ER. So I did go to the ER at a point in time throughout my hiatus from YouTube, and I have to pay that bill. I have to get in contact with the hotel, not the hotel. Get in contact with the hospital, figure out what my actual bill is, because I got a text message saying, "Oh, this is pay your bill through this link." And I'm like, that sounds like a scam. That sounds like a scam, because you have never mailed me a bill. So I need to get in contact with the bank, figure out how much my bill is, and that is definitely coming out of refund check. That is definitely coming out of refund check. Then we have SGO is getting 25. Now we have 25, 30, 35. Next is Shutdown. Shutdown is getting $50. Let's see. $50, yes. I'm actually excited for this to grow. I'm not only putting towards this amount. So I'm excited for this to grow and see what it becomes. So let's organize this money. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So that's looking great. After that, self-care. I think I want to change this envelope, even though I love the print and everything. I want to change this to Black Girl Luxury. Because, yes, I'm joining the hashtag. I need to prioritize self-care. and doing fun things that make me happy. That's what Black Girl Luxury means to me. It could mean something else to you, depending on how you view it. But with me, it's doing things that changes your life, gives you experiences, and make you happy. So we have just $20. We have $20. I'm no longer saying just. We are going to appreciate all the money we have. We have $20. Next is birthday and gifts, which his birthday passed, so that's I used that. I swiped that. And then, wow, that is it. I know you're looking like this. Where's you're done? You still have money. Like I said earlier, some of this money is my refund check, and some of the money is for my cash. Some of the money is for my refund check, and some of the rest of the money is for my savings challenge. So if you want to see how much I stuff for my savings challenge, watch the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below about what is going on in your financial journey, how you are doing, what new things you're doing to help, and what should I do with that refund check? Should I really fix my car or just give it all to debt? It's a hard question. It's a hard question. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.